Hey YouTube, this is Jasmine and I'm back with another video about the fun shops. And next I'm going to go over the in-state room beverages. So Carnival Cruise Line does offer in-state room beverages. That's part of their beverage program, which is linked up above, so you can watch that video. So we're going to go over what they can either provide in your room that you can purchase before or during your cruise. So they have a lot of options. So we're just gonna go through, not everyone in detail, we're just gonna quickly go through what they have. So they have bottled water. They have 12 packs for $4.50 or 8 packs. They have a lot of Coca-Cola products that you can buy separately that's not part of their beverage program. So let's kind of look at these prices. So natural spring water, a 12 pack for $4.50. That's a little bit high compared to just going to get it at a store. So they have bottled water if you want that. They have Coca-Cola. They have Sky Vodka. Now let's click on this. This is $75. I'm 100% sure the last time I saw some Sky Vodka, it did not cost this much. And it's only for 40-ounce bottle. I don't know, this is kind of high, but this is offered as part of an in-state room beverage. Okay, so let's keep going. They have a 6-pack of ginger ale for $10. Yeah, all of these drink packages, the pops, are all high. The Sprites, the Coca-Colas, the cranberry juices, these are all higher than it would be in a grocery store. The Crown Royal whiskey is $95. Let's see how much is provided. I'm quite sure you could get a better price at a duty-free shop on the islands. I know you can't buy this beforehand and bring it on because Carnival has a drink policy that I'm going to go over. But this is 1 liter of Crown Royal whiskey. So if you're not familiar, Crown Royal is a legendary whiskey created in 1939 to celebrate the visit of the King of England. It has a blend of 50 distinct full-body whiskeys matured in white oak barrels. Crown Royal has a taste profile defined by smoothness, enhanced by a rich, lingering finish. So $95 for a bottle of Crown Royal whiskey. Okay, so if you're interested in Crown Royal, that's an option, but you can also get duty-free alcohol on the islands. Okay, so 4-pack Corona is $21. A 6-pack of Powerade is $14. Sprite, $10. The Michelob Ultra, $24 for a 4-pack. The Barefoot Bubbly Brut Cuvée is $29. Absolute Vodka, $85. Wow. Rum, Crown Royal, and Coke, $100 for this package. Okay, so I'm going to be honest. These prices are kind of outrageous. I would only buy this if I had absolutely no other option. But you can also get off the boat and go shopping in the duty-free stations on the islands. And you can bring those back on the ship. I saw people on the ship, they had giant bottles of vodka and rum, and they were taking it through customs. So you can buy stuff off the island and bring it on the ship. And it will get through customs. You just have to take it out your luggage and get through customs. Okay, so a 4-pack of Miller Lite, $24. I'm quite sure you can get a case for $24. Spumante Leonardo, $26. Let's see how big this bottle is. Okay, because I'm a wine person, so I will look at the wine selections. So this is a sweet apricot, peach, tangerine, and soft powdered donut hues. It's wine vintages. Oh, okay. They're subject to change. So Spumante. It doesn't say how large this bottle is in the description, but I'm assuming it's like a normal size 150 milliliter bottle. But I love wine and champagne. Okay. They also have a large bottle of natural spring water for $3.75. Now, that's a little more reasonable. You know, when I was on a cruise ship, I mostly drank bottled water that was in the room already. Like they stock you with bottles in your room, and if you drink them, they just charge it to your sell and sign card. So I drank mostly water, and I had a few drinks on the ship, and I brought a bottle of wine with me. Okay, Jack Daniel's mixer package, $100. Let's see what this includes. Okay, so of course it's Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey. It tastes exactly like no other whiskey, so Jack Daniel's is one of a kind. And this package includes one bottle of Jack Daniel's whiskey's 1 liter and 1 6-pack of 12 fluid ounce cans of Coca-Cola. So I think this is a little pricey. I'm quite sure you get like a way better price on the islands or even on embarkation day or the duty-free shops. They also have duty-free shops on the ship, but they take the taxes off, but then they increase the price of the alcohol. So I'm not sure where there's a saving at, so that's why I said shop on the islands. You will get a way better price, especially for rum, because it's made in the islands. Okay, so Sky Vodka with the mixer package, $80. Bacardi is $90. A 4-pack of Mike's Hard Lemonade, wow, $24. Now, I like Mike's Hard Lemonade, and I know a 6-pack costs like $7.50. So that's kind of a crazy price. Wow, Patron Silver Tequila, $125. I know in the liquor stores in the States, this is way cheaper. I'm in the southern part of the US. I think I've seen this for like $60 for this bottle of tequila. Even though Patron is top shelf, Patron Silver Tequila is the perfect ultra premium white spirit. Using only the finest 100% Weber blue agave, it is handmade in small batches to be smooth, soft, and easily mixable. This light, crystal clear tequila with fresh agave aromas and hints of citrus is a favorite of tequila connoisseurs worldwide. It mixes flawlessly into most any cocktail. Each bottle is individually crafted by a glass artisan from recycled glass and is hand numbered. And this is 1 liter for $125. I'm 100% sure you can get this for way cheaper on the islands. So I'm just gonna go over a few more and just give my recommendation. And apparently these are sorted by the best sellers. Okay, so that's the first page. So I'm a wine person, so I'm going to check out the wine and champagne packages. So I'm going to go over to the left side and click on wine and champagne just to get an idea of the prices. Okay, so they have Barefoot Bubbly Brut Cuvée, $29. Spumante Leonardini, $26. Moscato, $38. Wow, these prices are a little bit more than they are in the States. Barefoot Wine Zinfandel, $29. I know for a fact that in Kroger, the Kroger grocery stores that's in the southern U.S., or that's located in the U.S. mainly, You can get 2 bottles of white Zinfandel at Kroger for like $7.50 each. And that's what I do. I go to the store on embarkation day and I get 2 bottles of wine, and me and my friend put it in our carry-on luggage, which is part of Carnival's drink policy. And that's going to be in the next video. I'll go over that in detail. But these are the bottles of wine. They're less expensive, but you can get a way better price at the stores on embarkation day. And you are allowed to bring 1 bottle per person. Okay, so Chardonnay, $31. Moroso Pinot Noir, $33. I'm probably butchering these names. Pinot Grigio, $39. Merlot, $27. I know for a fact you can get wine for a less expensive price, but just for research purposes, we're just kind of going over these. Cabernet for $41. Okay, my computer is a little bit slow today. Okay, so you can see the average prices of wine. If you are a wine person like myself, I love wine. It goes great with dinner. It goes great with like treats. Like if you're gonna get like sweet treats like chocolates or fruit, a good dry wine would go great with that. And if you're getting something like that's more saltier, like fish or chicken or meat dishes, you can get a sweeter wine. And you can ask like the waitstaff about wine pairing. But these are the choices you have. So once again, you can bring wine bottles on the ship that's 150 milliliters on embarkation day, but they have to be sealed and in your carry-on luggage. Okay, so Pinot Noir is $45, Merlot $70. Okay, so you can get an idea of how much the wine costs. So if you are interested in buying in-stateroom beverages, just be aware that they are a lot more expensive than if you just bring some wine on the ship on embarkation day, or if you go duty-free shopping on the different islands. So if you have absolutely no other options available and you just really need like a bottle of wine or a bottle of tequila, these are your options. It's duty-free shopping, but they increase the price of the bottles versus if you got it in the mainland, in the States, or in the islands. So that is the overview of the in-stateroom beverages. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to go over the internet plans. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you at all, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you ever bought in-stateroom beverages, was it worth it for you? Do you recommend duty-free shopping or bringing your own alcohol on board the ship? Just let me know. So thank you for watching.